How to create a file which is named like a command line argument? I was wondering how to make a file named as a flag. For example, if I wanted to make a folder named A, what commands would do the trick? I tried ubuntu /a, and neither worked. I'm on Ubuntu.
Call the command like so. The means that the options end after that, so the A gets interpreted literally and not as an option tempter. You will find this syntax not only in Vector, but any POSIX compliant utility except for echo and test. From the specification, the argument should be accepted as a delimiter indicating the end of options. Any following argument should be treated as operands, even if they begin with the dash character. The argument should not be used as an option or as an operand. Using as a safeguard is recommended for almost any action where you deal with file names and want to make sure they don't break the command. For example, when moving files in a loop, you might want to call the following, so that a file called I isn't n correctly parsed as an option.
The simplest way that should work with any reasonable program is to use a relative path name in front of the, for example, idea./a will create a directory called A in the current working directory. The most common example of using this trick is when you want to remove a file which begins with a dash, so you can do rm./a.
The reason why vector or vector\a doesn't work is because both of these methods, using quotes or backslashes, are used to prevent your shell, likely bash, from giving them any special meaning. Since A doesn't mean anything special to the shell anyway, these have no effect on how it gets passed on to vector. As far as vector is concerned, it receives a list of arguments from the shell, and it can't tell whether you put them in quotes or not, or whether there was a backslash. It just sees one argument A. That's why you need the, as explained in the other answers.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.